Welcome to Math Media Ganitham Madhuram. Today I am going to discuss Chapter 3 Understanding Quadrilaterals of Class 8 Mathematics. Today's topic is Kinds of Quadrilaterals. We have studied about quadrilaterals. What is meant by quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon is called quadrilateral. We can define quadrilateral into different types and we can name them according to their properties. Here we are discussing the first type of quadrilateral, that is trapezium. Now we can see what is meant by a trapezium. A quadrilateral in which a pair of opposite sides are parallel is called a trapezium. That is, trapezium means a four-sided figure in which one pair will be parallel. That is called trapezium. Then the non-parallel sides of the trapezium are equal. Then such type of trapezium is called isosceles trapezium. As you know that isosceles triangle means a triangle whose two sides are equal. Here isosceles trapezium means in a trapezium the non-parallel sides are equal, then it is called an isosceles trapezium. Look at the figure. The figure is an isosceles trapezium in which the parallel sides are AB and CD and the non-parallel side AD will be equal to another non-parallel side is BC. So ABCD is a isosceles trapezium. In an isosceles trapezium, the obtuse angles are equal and acute angles are also equal. Look at the figure. Which are the obtuse angles? Yes, angle ADC and angle BCD are the obtuse angles. They are equal and the acute angles are angle DAB and angle CBA. They are also equal. Our next quadrilateral is kite. The kite is another special quadrilateral in which one pair of adjacent sides are equal to each other and the other pair of adjacent sides are equal to each other. Here, which are the adjacent sides? Look at the figure. AB and AD are one pair of adjacent sides which are equal to each other. Similarly, another pair of adjacent sides are BC and DC. They are also equal. That is, AB equal to AD and BC equal to CD. And you know that in the quadrilateral there are two diagonals. Look at the figure here. It is the figure of kite. Here also we can see two diagonals, diagonal AC and BD. Out of these two diagonals, in the case of kite, one diagonal is longer and the other diagonal is shorter. The properties of diagonal of kite is the longer diagonal is an angle bisector. Which angle is bisected by the longer diagonal? Yes, that is angle BAC and angle BCD are bisected by the longer diagonal. Hence, angle BAC equal to angle DAC and angle BCA equal to angle DCA. Another property of diagonal is two diagonals are perpendicular to each other. that is diagonal AC and BD are perpendicular to each other, means they make 90 degree at their intersection. That is, they intersect each other at right angle. Hence, we can say that angle BOA equal to angle AOD equal to angle COB equal to angle DOC equal to 90 degree. The shortest diagonal bisect the other. That means the shortest diagonal is BD. It will bisect itself. That means OB equal to OD, or we can say that BO equal to DO. So remember, the longest diagonal bisect the angle and the shortest diagonal bisect each other. The two obtuse angles opposite to each other are equal. Another property of kite is the two obtuse angles which are opposite to each other will be equal. Which are the obtuse angles in the figure? Yes, angle ABC and angle ADC are two obtuse angles. They are equal. That is, angle ABC equal to angle ADC. These are the properties of quadrilateral kite. Next is parallelogram. What is meant by parallelogram? That is a quadrilateral with each pair of opposite sides are parallel is called a parallelogram. Now we can see what are the properties of parallelogram. The first property, we can get it from the definition itself. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel and equal in length, or parallel and equal. Look at the figure. ABCD is a parallelogram and AC and BD are its diagonals which intersect at the point O. So, by using the first property, we can write AB equal to DC and AB parallel to DC. Similarly, AD equal to BC and AD parallel to BC. Next property, the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Which are the opposite angles? Angle A and angle C. Next one is, yes, angle B and angle D. So, angle A equal to angle C and angle B equal to angle D. That is, the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Next one, the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Which are the diagonals? AC and BD. Bisect each other means the diagonal AC bisect each other. That means it will be divided into two equal parts. That is, AO equal to CO. Similarly, another diagonal BD is also bisecting. That is, BO equal to DO. And the fourth property, the adjacent angles in a parallelogram are supplementary. Adjacent angles in a parallelogram are supplementary means 180 degree. That is, A and D are the adjacent angles. Their sum will be angle A plus angle D equal to 180 degree, angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree, angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree, and angle C plus angle D equal to 180 degree. This property is important for solving the sums. So remember all the properties of parallelogram. There are two properties regarding the angles. Which are they? that is opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Another properties regarding the angle is the adjacent angles in a parallelogram are supplementary. And what about the diagonal? Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other.